Finding the right college at an affordable cost without sabotaging a family's financial future feels as impossible as solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Now think about a Rubik's Cube. This is one of my favorite little toys here. The Rubik's Cube has 20 constantly moving parts with 43 quintillion possible combinations. Well, guess what? College planning has countless intersecting factors like financial aid requirements, merit aid policies, admission statistics, and your teens' evolving goals shaping fit, cost, and long-term impact. With every factor that you optimize,